What's up guys, thanks for joining me. My name's Mike. In today's video I'm going to be stripping out my old kitchen. Now this is it. There's this sink. I've already turned the water off. This kitchen was awful when I moved in. All sticky, minging. Took about 2 hours just to try and clean it, just to be livable. So it's time for a new one. So we've got obviously the sink there, got this little breakfast bar that's going to be coming out, all these units over here. The fridge I'm going to have to leave in position at the moment, wall cupboards, all the tiles, radiator, everything. I don't think it should be too difficult. Oh, there's this big cupboard here as well to rip out. So we'll get cracking. Like I said, I don't think it's going to take much. Yeah, coming out quite easily. Turn that off before I electrocute myself. So, the best way, I'm going to be taking all these units to the tip. The best way to deal with these is literally just a flat packer. I'll get all this kitchen in the back of my truck. Obviously if it's all full units, it'll be a bit harder to do. Do all flat, like so. Nice and easy. If you do get a unit, it's a bit tricky to flat pack. If you drop it on the corner, it should break. Like so. So, what was that, about 5 minutes to get all them wall units off? It's warm today, got a sweat on. So, I'll have a quick tidy up and then I'll come back. So, I'm all tidied up now. I've also taken this breakfast bar bit out, which nearly bit the sink fall out. So we need to disconnect the sink now. Just grab a spanner, some grips. So if I bring you around here. I don't know if you can see down there, but there is some isolation valves. So I have to turn the water off, but I will try and turn them off as well. So once I cut the pipes, I don't want a lot of water from upstairs coming down at me. Try and lean in, get into these pipes here. So we managed to disconnect that, so just disconnect the trap. Then with your pipe slice, I'm just going to cut them off there. So the sink should be ready to lift out now. So, don't need that. I'll tell you what, there's a lot of rubbish behind here. Huge hole in the wall as well. Something in there. Nice little postcard. So it is, if it'll focus. Croxley Mills, River Gade. Nothing's written on the back of it. It'd be nice to see if there was a date on it. But again, wall units, it is better if you can flat pack them. Wasn't even any legs on this, it was just probably had years of water dripping in it. I think that's why it's rotten. It's literally crumbling. I'll go that way first. Let's move this way slightly. So most of the time, when you're stripping the kitchen, the worktop will be held on, it'll be screwed through, so there's a screw there and a screw there, look. More around here as well on the other side. There's probably some in here as well. There's one there, one at the back. Nothing in that one. Nothing in that one. Still fastened somewhere. Some more here, so not in there, not there. One there. So that should be ready to come out now. That's good. So these 3 bolts here, these what obviously join the 2 pieces of worktop together. And they're normally about 10 mil. I'll go see if I've got a 10 mil spanner. Yeah. So if you've got a 10mm spanner, it's obviously a bit easier to get in rather than spanner or grips. It's absolutely awful, this kitchen. Hands are all sticky. So if you just take them out, should be able to break that in half now. Like so. So now the worktop's off. Should be able to get into the back where all the screws are. Done them ones. I got most of them, to be fair. Does this remind anyone of them spinning tops you used to have when you were a kid? We'll see if it works. So now, you've had a bit of fun with that. Looks like these are joined together through there. So just unscrew them. Or not. Got a bit of an easier way than that. Again, just like before, if it's a bit sturdy, just lift it up, drop it on the corner. It's warm. Got a load more rubbish behind here as well now. No cold callers. Picture hooks, nice. Look at that. Just, it's a bit dodgy, isn't it? This old-fashioned cake recipes. Might be able to try some of them in my new kitchen. Rich almond paste. Nice. Vinyl, Scotty Brothers, Survivor, yeah, just a lot of rubbish, really. But yeah, that's not very good. That box is buried in the wall. Probably just put a jointing box in there. It's a bit rough. Yeah. I'll have to give this another tidy up. I'll be back. Right then guys, I think we're gonna wrap this video up now. All the main work's done. I wanted to get done today. All the units are out, tidied up. Just got these tiles to take off. There's electrics to figure out. Put this boxing off here as well. It was pretty big, this boxing. It went from there to there. So I think the next video will probably be first fix electrics, getting electrics in. I revealed a socket there, look. You can see how minging it was, look how sticky that is. This socket's pretty much hanging off. I'm going to rewire the full kitchen, so be nice and new. I've got my stop tap to move as well. Comes up there, look. Then loops round there. Goes up there. Along there. And then all the way up there. So yeah, I'm gonna just do it nice and neatly in the corner there. Have to patch this hole in here. Sort that out. Got to take this flue out. Patch that in there. Then this wall, I'll probably just bring it out a little bit, return it in, and have a nice little access point for the stop tap. And probably build a breakfast bar along here. So basically, I've got a unit there, my hob and my oven with the extractor above. Then the unit's probably going to start maybe the centre of that radiator, because I need access for the door obviously. But it's probably going to start somewhere here, and it's going to go all the way along to the corner, then all the way along there. Fridge freezer will probably stay where it is. Sink pretty much under the centre of the window. Washing machine. Then units. And then I'll have wall units along the top of here. And then that's it really. Yeah. Got this to strip out as well. This is a condensate pipe. Comes from the boiler, it goes up there, along there, through the wall there, through there. Down there, into there. But I don't know if you can hear it. It doesn't work. So I did have a bucket under there a while ago. So that's to come out. So yeah, the plan eventually, once the kitchen's done, I've got this little shed bit here. It's just pretty much storeroom now. I'm going to put a toilet in here. So I'll have a waste pipe in there, it'll run along through the wall, and I'll be able to tee the condensate pipe into there. I might even put the washing machine in there, and I can buy a dishwasher, because I hate doing pots. But we'll have to see. This gas pipe here as well, the hob, I'm going to take on the other side of the wall and come through, so I don't have to box any of that in. Or I could bring it down there and round, but you don't want massive runs on your gas pipe. And I think that's it. So, if you like that video, give me a thumbs up, helps me out a lot. Subscribe. So, I'm just over 100 subscribers now, so that's excellent. So thank you to everyone who subscribed, watched and took the time out of your busy schedules to watch me smash a house up. But yeah, like I say, if you'd like that video, join me again for the next one. Thank you. So we're getting there with the cleaning. But I was just ripping this big cupboard out. Because it's just the same process as the other ones. Yeah, look. A free hammer. It's empty. I don't think that's going to be much use. But the other thing I have just noticed, look at that. Mind you, there was a gas fire in the front room, and that is just open straight into the chimney. If you saw one of my last videos, that red brick up there is where I was bricking up the fireplace. Yeah, you can see all the soot and gases and heat and stuff that's been on there. I don't know what this is. Looks like a Hoover bag. You can tell how sticky everything is. But yeah, I just thought I'd show you that. Bit dodgy.